Ito yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko na Korean brand when it comes to retinol. So, ito yung The Ordinary Retinol. So, ito is 5% retinol in squalane. So, talagang ito yung sinasabi nila na napaka-stable form of retinol. So, yan yung retinol natin from The Ordinary. So, ito talaga matagal ko na ginagamit yung Ordinary. At talaga nagugustuhan ko siya kasi mula nung ginamit ko tong retinol ng Ordinary is that, mas gumanda yung texture ng skin ko, mas naging even yung skin tone ko. And then, of course, yung texture niya gumanda. And also, yung mga fine lines and wrinkles ko, at least nag-i-improve siya. So, kasi yung retinol kasi, normally kasi, ang effect niyan is 3 to 4 months, ganyan. So, itong si retinol to, is talagang favorite ko kasi parang feeling ko talaga, para sa akin, is very vegan siya, very clean, and also, this is very potent, and also, very effective in reducing my fine lines and wrinkles, and then, papaganda yung skin tone ko. So, ganyan siya. So, nilalagay ko lang siya sa, sa skin ko everyday. So, this is during night time para para mas ma-absorb ng skin natin. And also, sa umaga, syempre, naglalagay ako ng sunscreen. So, ganyan yung retinol natin. So, siya, talagang in oil form siya, pero madali siya ma-absorb ng skin natin. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. So again, kung naghahanap ka ng retinol na very clean, very vegan, very simple lang para madagdag sa skincare routine mo, lalo na kung kailangan mo na rin matreat yung fine lines and wrinkles mo, and then para mapaganda yung texture ng skin mo, and at the same time, mag-brighten yung skin tone mo, so you can have The Ordinary Retinol Oil Serum. So you can check it out on my basket.